So your QNAP NAS power supply has given up the ghost, or maybe it's just making that awful jet engine noise that's driving everyone in the office mad. Either way, we've got you sorted. The thing is, original QNAP PSU are not exactly cheap to replace through official channels, and half the time they're just out of stock anyway. Meanwhile, your NAS is sat there doing nothing. This is the QNAP NAS SFX PSU from Vanda Trading, and it's basically a drop-in replacement for a whole bunch of QNAP systems. It's a 400-watt micro ATX high-quality PSU, full range 110 to 230 volt input, so it works anywhere in the world, and the connector situation is all taken care of. You've got your 24-pin ATX, the special 20-pin QNAP adapter, 8-pin CPU, Molex, SATA, PCI Express. Everything you need is in the box, no messing around. Additional connector are also available on request. Now here's the thing people really notice. It's quiet, like, actually quiet. QNAP's own PSU have a bit of a reputation for sounding like a hairdryer, so this is a proper upgrade in that department. You're getting solid output across the board, a quite 80mm fan built to last. Oh, and it comes with a 2-year warranty, free UK shipping, and a 30-day returns policy. Honestly, if your QNAP PSU is playing up, just grab one of these from our Vanda Trading website or eBay store.